Hello friends, if you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss with you guys just a little bit my thoughts on, yes, blue light and blue light protecting glasses, like glasses that you would use when using or being in front of a screen, like your computer, a laptop, etc., your phone, and all that. I made a video sometime last year where I discussed with you guys the fact that I had taken my kids to their eye doctor, and they are homeschooled and they go to school on their tablet. So he was like, hey, so how many hours a day do they spend in front of a screen? And I was like, well, they go to school on their tablet, so several hours. And he kind of, in a very nice way, you know, yelled at me, and he was like, they need to be wearing glasses, like blue light blocking glasses. And I was like, what? So yeah, something about, you know, it can cause macular degeneration in the eyes, and he just like scared me, and he's like, it could really damage their eyes in the long run, etc. So you need to get them glasses. So we got them glasses. So they've been using their glasses ever since, and even now when they are on my phone or etc., they have to be wearing their glasses. So my sister, I told this, and I tell this to everybody who is on their phone a lot. So my sister, who I told as well, sent me this little article, nothing huge, nothing big, but I think she read it from a Real Simple magazine. And they were trying to break down, not the myth, but just the whole concept of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and read to you guys the article. She took a picture of it and sent it to me. So I have it here on my phone. I should be wearing my glasses right now. Actually, and put on my glasses. These are a new pair that I have that I will talk to you guys in a little bit about, so stay tuned. So here we go. I can't find it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay. So it says, blue light blocking glasses. Why it's a trend, again from Real Simple magazine. It says, some claim that the short wavelength blue light we're increasingly exposed to from our device is damaging our eyes, and the glasses that block it will keep our eyes healthier. According to the American Macular Degeneration Foundation, research suggests that blue light may contribute to retinal damage and increase the risk of age-related macular degeneration, and it's a leading cause of vision loss in people ages 50 and older. Okay, that's the claim that everybody's hearing, etc. My eye doctor told me all that. Well, this is what they're saying that science suggests. Hear me out. It says, in 2017 review of 3 clinical trials, researchers in the UK and Australia, not here in the US, UK and Australia, I don't even know if that even makes a difference, but I'm just saying, analyzed whether people who wore blue light blocking glasses had less eye fatigue and better vision over time than people who didn't. Their conclusion? Nope. It is a big urban myth, according to them. All right. That's what, let's see, ophthalmologist and retina surgeon Abdish R, I'm butchering that name, I'm really sorry, R Hafsar, he's a medical doctor and clinical spokesperson for the American Academy of Ophthalmology. The verdict, he's saying skip the glasses. That said, some research suggests blue light can make it hard to fall asleep. So if you struggle with insomnia, avoid TV devices right before bed, turning on the nighttime setting if you have them, or consider blue light blocking glasses when you use devices in the evening. I knew about the night setting on your phone, that if you put it on night setting, it doesn't have blue light. Am I wrong? Because somebody told me that. And they're saying here that it might have an effect on your eyes when you go to bed. Like if you're on a screen, you know, towards the evening. And I have insomnia, and I'm thinking maybe that's why, because that's when I'm mostly on the phone before I go to bed, checking emails and like DMs and stuff like that. So after hearing all that, I'm not gonna lie to you. Here's my verdict. This is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. You could do whatever you want. This is what I'm gonna do. I am still going to use them, my dear. Why? Because yes, I mean, this is blue light. This could be harmful. We've already seen that it has harmful effects on your eyes as far as insomnia, etc. And I don't know, even if I'm wrong, I mean, it's not gonna do harm to me to wear my glasses, you know, when I'm on my screen or my computer. I'm still gonna make my kids do it. It's not gonna cause harm to them to do it. And honestly, it is just in case. Again, having this foreign light, razor-like light or whatever on these devices, I don't wanna be a statistic. I don't wanna be like, oh yeah, wait, hold on. It does cause macular degeneration, so maybe you should be using them. I would rather just be using them, and maybe down the line, I don't know, maybe it is proven that there's nothing going on, but at least just in case, I'm just saying. So I will still use my blue light blocking glasses. All right. So that's what I'm gonna do. You could do whatever you want, you know, I don't feel like going more into research. It's not gonna hurt me to go ahead and just put them on and tell my kids to put them on. Just in case. Just saying. Again, what I want to do. All right, so now I want to talk about the glasses that I'm wearing because they're a little different than the ones that I showed you guys in my last blue light blocking glasses video. I'll link that one below so you guys can check it out. But these were sent over to me by a company called BL Band Eyewear. Okay, it says always protecting, do not let your eyes cry anymore, is what they have on the box. And it's blue light blocking glasses. It says it here back here, and the whole box is blue. Anyways, yeah, these are nice. They're a little different than the ones that I had before. And I can really see a difference as far as like when I put them on. Everything looks a little yellow tinged, all right? So I can see that there's something going on in the lens, all right? And they're actually quite comfortable. And I look smarter. Anyways, they were kind enough to send this to me, and it has a little flip box here for you to store them in. Here it has a brand name, BL Band. All right, it has a little cloth to clean the glasses, and they also included a blue light that you can see over here. You see that? You get closer. So that's a blue light, okay? The little laser thing that they sent. I don't want to blind you. I don't want to expose you to blue light, but that's what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how these glasses actually do block that light. Whether this is good, bad for you, I'm pretty sure it's not good for you, but whether it's bad for you or it doesn't even matter, I'm going to show you how these glasses actually block it. So they sent over a little card over here that you can see the blue light. You see the blue light? Right? Obviously, the light is blue. And then when I put it inside here, why am I doing this? I don't know why I'm doing it like this. All right, so you see the blue light outside, obviously, okay, on the card outside of the glasses. But when you go through the glasses, you see how it completely almost even goes away. But see, if you see a light, it's just a reflection of this light on the outer surface of the lens. But it doesn't go all the way through, you see? So blue light, you see it, and then it blocks it. So yeah, so these glasses do a great job at blocking it. So below I'm gonna put a link to these glasses that they send me. So if you wanna go ahead and try them out, go ahead. The link will be below. So these glasses could be found on Amazon.com, I believe. And I'm looking at them now. I can find these particular frames on Amazon. If I do, I'll put the link below. But this brand actually has some on Amazon for $19.99. I mean, you saw it for yourself how they blocked the blue light. So I'll put the link below so you guys can check it out. And yeah, and they're not expensive, honestly. And given just the research, or given the article that I just read right now, yeah, it could be true, but honestly, I just don't want any foreign light that could possibly cause damage to my eyeballs and my kids' eyeballs, yeah, on our eyes. So I will still use my glasses and will make sure they still use your glasses. And my husband, who works off of his computer for hours at a time, you know, during the day, definitely still uses his. They were also kind enough to send me 2 pairs. So this is another unopened pair. I know it's a little different from these, but I do not want to open it because I don't want to get my fingerprints on it. I don't want to contaminate it. I want them to be like spanking new glasses for you guys. And it includes everything that this one does, like the little case, the little towel or the little cloth to clean the lenses. It includes a little light and also the card, so you guys can do your own little test at home. But I'm gonna be giving these away to one of you guys. So the rules for the giveaway are gonna be below. Go ahead and follow them and you guys will enter into the giveaway to possibly getting a pair of free blue light blocking glasses. I will also include when the giveaway will end and how I'm going to contact you if you win. All right. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to BL Band, who were the ones who sent me these glasses, and the giveaways that I will be giving away to one of you guys. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself, and I want to know your thoughts on blue light blocking glasses and all that. Yeah, even if you just completely disagree with me, it is totally fine. I still want to hear from you. Just go ahead and comment in the comment section below. All right, love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It actually means the world to me that you guys actually take the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I have a few messages for you guys. It won't take long at all, I promise. All right, so number one, I accept prayer requests. So if there's anything that you are going through, anything that you want prayer over, just go ahead and contact me either through a comment below, an email, private message, whatever way that you want. So I can add you to a prayer list that me and my family have, and we pray for every single day. We have seen the power of prayer in our lives, and we want to share that with you guys. All right, number two, if you are on Instagram, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I go live Monday through Friday and I do a small devotional / Bible study, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, but it's just something that you guys can listen to throughout the day to get you connected to the Lord and to His Word. And lastly, number three, if you are not following me, totally subscribe, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I would love for you to join our family. We have so much fun here. I do my best to upload twice a week, usually Tuesdays and Fridays. And I do videos about anything and everything. I do beauty, I do fashion, I do recipes, I do about my life, I do hauls, I do some of my favorite products. Honestly, a little bit of everything where my kids are involved, and it's just so much fun. So I would love for you to join our family if you want. All right, that's about it. Thank you so much. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.